What is wrong with this cat? I made you a nice cardboard farmhouse and you chewed it up. It's one level now. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Silky, what do you think? What's this guy doing? Uh-oh.
It's incredible to
Silky sneaking up on you, Ghost.
Walking in high heels or wooden shoes. And it stayed silent during this session. There is no explanation for this.
I'm gonna call you Chewbacca. Chewing look at all the chew marks on this thing.
Literally walking over here. That was not.
Hey, Chew Boy. Hey, Chewy. Oh, it looks like you're flexing.
Investigation here in Jamestown, California. This is a very serious situation that's happening here.
Why you gotta chew on it, you Chewbacca?
Saying that she is conducting exorcisms in this town. We met an ex-deputy sheriff that described.
You gonna chew on that box now?
Then we interviewed another woman.
Hey, chew. Why you gotta chew on everything?
We need to try to get more evidence of so that we can
get
a proper diagnosis on how it can be treated or vanished.
Look at that pudge hanging down.